Hello Magical Minds, welcome to Educo Gravity Study channel. Magical Minds, in today's video we are going to learn what is the meaning of accounting and its attributes as well as accounting process. So let's begin the session of study. We will begin our session of study with the definition of accounting. This definition has been given by American Institute of Certified Public Accountants. It says that accounting is the art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money transactions and events which are in part at least of a financial character and interpreting the results thereof. It means that accounting is a process of recording financial transactions which occur in terms of money. For example, purchasing and selling of something, summarizing them, making them in short, and communicating the financial information to users. Users include proprietors, creditors, investors, government agencies, etc. It is because of these characteristics that accounting is called the language of business. And accounting is not a useful for business alone but also for the not for profit organization or in fact for any kind of organizations who was dealing their transactions in financial monetary terms. So let's see its attributes. Attributes include accounting is an art as well as science. Attribute means it's a positive perspective of something, which means plus point. How is a art as well as science? So listen, art is a technique which help us to achieve our desired objectives, and accounting is an art of recording, classifying and summarizing financial transaction. It helps us in achieving our objectives of maintaining proper account to know the profit and financial position of the business. Second one is records only those events and transactions which are of financial character. Well, it is a serious limitation of accounting. For example, a quarrel between two production manager and the sale manager affects the earning of the business but is not recorded because it has no financial character, no economic value and no exchange value. Okay, hope you are getting it. And third one is records transaction by expressing them in terms of money. Well, this makes the transaction more meaningful. Let's take example. If a business has 10 machine and 20 tons of raw material, 2 buildings, 20 tables and 10 fans, etc. So it is not possible to add them together or know which one is more valuable unless they are expressed in terms of money. Okay, so and fourth one is functions of accounting. It also includes in attributes of accounting. Fourth one is functions of accounting. C. Identification, recording, classifying, summarizing, and interpreting. Let's start from the identification. Identification means events which are measured in terms of money, and recording includes business transaction in the book of accounts. Recording is the process of entering business transactions, financial character in the books of original entry. For example, general. This may book be further subdivided into various subsidiary books such as cash, purchase general, sales general, etc. Okay. Then C1 is classifying. Classifying means it is a process of grouping transactions or entries in the general or ledger or subsidiary books. For example, let's take a X account in the general. All business transaction connected to X are posted so that it is ultimately due to X or due from X can be ascertained. So this include in classification, grouping. And D1 is summarizing. Summarizing means to make something short. Hope you are getting it. The process of leads to the preparation of the following statement. In short, making trial balance, which is useful in making trading and profit account as well as balance sheet. In balance sheet, this prepare at the end of a terms, and according to balance sheet, the owners of business institutions make their decision for future. Okay, and the E1 is interpreting analysis of financial data to have a good knowledge of financial position of the company. On that base, the owners of company take decisions for future. Okay, and the fifth one is service activity. Service activity includes designs to produce relevant information of an organization to be used for decision making. Well, uh, accounting is a service activity, we all know that, and designed to produce relevant information of organization to be used for decision making. For example, after going through the above discussion, huh, most of the for example, take it bankers, share brokers, they analysis the company accounts, and on this basis they tell the persons who are going to invest in the company's shares. So on that basis they are able to take decision which company is good, which company is not good for future business. Okay, hope you are getting it. And these are the attributes of accounting. Let's go to accounting process. There are five types of accounting process that include financial transactions, recording, classifying, summarizing. I told you that summarizing means to make it short, and analysis. Analysis means interpretation. In this basis, this is a all data information of the company business transactions in earlier time, and this basis the owners as well as service providers learn learn the position of company, and according to them, according to the data, they can take their decision for run the company in future. So let's start accounting process. First part, financial transaction. Financial transaction includes recording of general, including cash book, purchase book, sales book, purchase return book, and bills payable, sales return book, bills receivable book, general, proper, etc. And let's go. Another one is classifying, include posting into ledger, entries into ledger account. Summarizing means it includes trial balance, trading and profit account, loss account, balance sheet, etc. Then fourth one is analysis and interpretation, and fifth one is communicating to the users. Those are taking the users including banking organizations, and if your company is working in share market, so share brokers also use their data for future decisions. And these are the accounting process, accounting attributes, as well as meaning of accounting. Hope you getting it. We will meet another session. So this is the end of this lecture. We will meet another session. Thank you very much.